The three main most important aspects of your content. In this video, I want to go through exactly how you can create the best content within your industry, get clients through your content, most importantly for your coaching offer, okay? And I know for a fact you're not starting a personal brand to be the next big thing. You want to grow your business, and you understand that some sort of personal brand is the only thing you truly need to be able to actually grow your coaching offer to new heights, okay? So in this video, I want to go through the three main most important aspects of your content. And before we get into it, just make sure you hit that subscribe button, as I post content like this on a daily basis. So what I want to first start with is too many online coaches overcomplicate creating content. There's a lot of information online where they're like, do this, do that, do this, do that. And most of these things don't even matter. Okay, and what you really need to understand is a personal brand for a reason. It says it in the name, personal. Okay, what most online coaches think is they need to go viral to get more clients. And this is completely wrong. You don't even need a huge following to get clients, okay? and I bet that shocks you, okay? Of course, you get a little bit of dopamine from that. But you want to grow your business, okay? So it doesn't matter if you're going viral or not. You don't need to go viral to get clients, okay? And most online coaches think they should create those 7-second clips where they just post a 7-second clip on Instagram and then say, check the caption. That doesn't work either, okay? But there are only 3 things you need to get more clients through your content. And before we get into it, why trust me? I've been through the stage of going viral every day, okay? I was getting 10 million views a month on my TikTok page. I've got 2 of my clients to 100k followers each. As you can see here, 2 million views. Got myself to 20k followers on TikTok. Also helped Nathan make 6.5k with just 7 subscribers on YouTube. By the way, this is the same guy as this guy. This is his personal profile. This is his business profile. Helped my other clients here, as you can see. I just moved that there because this is part of the free. Make 11k in 9 days. So I know what I'm speaking about. Okay, and I've helped online coaches before. That's what I do. I help online coaches build one-of-one personal brands and actually get clients through it. Okay, if you're interested in hearing more about that offer, you can click the link down below, book in a call and we can speak in more detail. But anyway, there's 3 main things that you need to worry about. Well, not worry about, but you understand what I'm saying. They're most important. So the hook of your videos, the body of your videos, and the call to action of your videos. That's all you need to worry about. And I'm going to go through these one by one so you understand what these mean. So the hook of your videos is the most important part, hands down. And this is basically the start of your video. It's the hook. It's hooking people in. Okay, so if people do not keep on watching your video, it won't be pushed out to more people. Okay, you need to hook the viewer in within the first few seconds of your videos, and this is especially for short form content. Of course, it applies to YouTube, but most people know on YouTube, okay, I clicked on this video to watch it for a longer period of time. I'm not just going to watch it for 30 seconds, okay? Who knows, they might, but they understand that. So this is mostly for short form content, which is very important. It's still important, the hook of your video for YouTube videos, of course, to hook people in, but that's more of the title and thumbnail to get the click-through rate up, so they actually click on your video, okay? But anyway, there's a few ways you can actually do this to like really hook your viewer in. There's 3 main hook styles that I like to use. There's a controversial hook, there's a visual hook, and then there's an authority hook. So a visual hook is basically something coming on your screen straight away to stop the viewer's scroll. As humans, we're visual creatures. You have to visually stimulate the viewer to get them to stop scrolling. So this is especially for short form content. Right now, raw videos like this on YouTube are doing amazingly well, but on short form content, you still need amazing quality videos, okay, because it's short form, okay, and you need a visual hook, and this visual hook is something coming on your screen, okay, to stop the viewer scroll, to intrigue them for more, okay. And I like to follow this framework with the visual hook. So it's basically, what I like to do is have a title summarizing the video in less than 6 words. So a title visually summarizing the video. I could even add controversial aspects to this to stop someone's scroll, because they look at it and be like, oh right, this is controversial, let me watch longer, because humans love drama, okay. And then you're going to have an image creating curiosity. When people see your videos, they're like, what's this about? Okay, then an image showing your video's quality. So here's the framework. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was a bit more than 6 words, but as you can see here, image creating curiosity, image creating, making it look quality. So these just come up as soon as the video starts, and they transition in and everything like that. But it just makes the video look quality. It makes people want to watch. They're like, what's this bow and arrow, why is he shooting against that? It just creates curiosity, so they want to watch more, and also get more clients with a personal brand. It's going to intrigue them. They're going to be like, oh, how do I do this? Okay, so that's the framework I follow for the visual hook, just to visually stimulate my ideal clients. And to get them hooked in the video. This is what you need to do. And next is a controversial hook. And a controversial hook is saying something controversial to get viewers to stop their scroll. Okay, the main metrics you need to focus on are watch time and engagement, okay, for your videos. So those are the main important metrics of your videos: watch time and engagement. So people will comment because it's controversial. This is engagement. If you're using a controversial hook, people are going to comment, and also people will watch longer because it's controversial, because they want to see what happens to you. They want to see what you're speaking about. So that's why I suggest using a controversial hook. And there's 2 types of controversy. There's niche controversy and there's broad controversy. And niche controversy is being controversial within your industry. For example, bench press does not build your chest. That's very controversial. Okay, that is very controversial, because a lot of people think bench press will build their chest, and when you say that out loud, they're going to be like, what? Then they're going to start commenting. Okay, so this is niche controversial, so being controversial within your industry. And I highly suggest, if you're trying to go viral, I would use niche controversy, because you don't want to go broad, because it's just going to attract randoms, and trust me, you do not want randoms onto your page. You're not going to get paid by them. Okay, you want to grow your business, not grow your social media. Like yes, of course you want to grow your social media pages. I'm not saying you won't grow them. I'm saying, like, you don't want to go viral so much that you just attract random people and your business just stagnates. Okay, because that's the worst thing you possibly do. That was happening to me when I was getting 10 million views a month. Okay, so views does not always equate to cash. So what I would suggest is being niche controversial, and this will go to more of your ideal clients. So next, broad controversial is saying something which is broad. So for example, like the most famous man on the internet back a year ago, starts with A and ends with T. But for example, you could say something like girls driving is terrible, and this would be very broad because it's going to a lot of people. There's a lot of girls in the world that will get angry about that. Okay, so controversy wins, and it was how I was getting 10 million views a month. But just be careful to not be too broad, because then it's just going to go to random people, and again, we don't want random people. We want ideal clients onto our page, okay? And last but not least is an authority hook. So an authority hook is saying something to position you as an authority. So an example of this would be something like, my client gained 3 inches on his biceps in 3 weeks. Here's how. This literally positions you as an authority and makes people want to stop their scroll to listen to you, because they know you know your shit. And if your ideal client is stopping their scroll, of course they want to know how to add 3 inches onto their biceps, so they're going to stop. So keep that in mind, okay, when you're doing this. Just position yourself as an authority, because more people are more likely to listen, even if it's yourself that you're speaking about, okay? But make sure you position yourself as an authority. And you 100% need to create these videos. Like, these are kind of like, I would say, social proof videos, because it shows proof of concept, and proof of concept is the one thing you need to actually build up trust with someone, okay? And trust is the number one thing you need to sell somebody something. So what I'll do is I'll leave 50 hooks I use all the time below in the description for free, so you can just grab them, look at them when you're creating your content, and you can use them as leverage, okay? So you don't need to overcomplicate hooks, but you still need to use these frameworks that I've literally just given you, like the authority hook, the visual hook, the controversial hook. Definitely use them within your content, okay? So next is the body of your videos. Now, the body of your videos are super important, and a lot of people go wrong, here. A lot of people go wrong, and I see it happening all the time. I've made this mistake myself as well, but you live and you learn, okay? Remember, the most important metrics are watch time and engagement. Sorry about the lie. The body of your video should make people want to watch your video longer, not click off the video. Okay, and most people say they're going to reveal a secret hack within the video. So for example, this secret hack allowed me to gain 3 inches on my biceps, for example. And then within the first few seconds of the video, they just reveal it. And that's where you're going wrong. The person now watching the video has got what they need. So they're just going to leave. And this means your watch time is going to be low. Okay? So you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't just reveal the thing that you're trying to tell them straight away. Okay? You shouldn't do that at all. What you truly need to do is hype it up. So you need to hype up the thing that you're about to reveal before you do that. So instead of revealing the secret straight away, hype it up until the viewers are on the edge of their seats and then reveal that said thing. So closer to the end, just reveal it, because this is going to increase watch time. So if they watch for a longer period of time and you reveal it closer to the end of the actual video, that's when the watch time is going to be high. So you don't have to all the way through just do it and then right at the end reveal it. No, you don't have to do that. What you can do is hype it up for a little bit, and then towards the end, not right at the end, you can reveal it. Okay? And that's exactly what I've learned from, I've been in this game for 4 years, guys. I've learned a lot through this, and I see people do this all the time, because I've done it as well. I just revealed the thing straight away and wondered why my videos weren't being pushed out to more people. People have got the thing that they stopped for. Okay, so they stopped on the video because you said something that they wanted. They got that said thing, now they're off onto another video. Okay, so don't reveal it until the end, closer to the end, okay? Don't reveal the thing that you're revealing until the end. So, for example, I want to do a quick example because I know that may have been quite confusing. Let's just say, for example, I say something like this. This is the secret hack that allowed me to gain 3 inches on my biceps in 3 weeks. And I don't know why more people aren't speaking about this, because it's the thing that Arnold Schwarzenegger used to actually win Mr. Olympia. So if you want to learn how to become Mr. Olympia, well, I'm about to reveal it straight right now. A lot of people try bicep curls, a lot of people try bicep curls, a lot of people try hammer curls, but it's actually none of those things. And the exercise that actually allowed me to gain 3 inches on my biceps within 3 weeks was, then you reveal it. Okay, you see how I kind of hyped it up. I said Arnold Schwarzenegger used it. Of course you need to make sure that's the truth. Or you could just say it, to be honest. He probably did use those exercises to do it, but you just need to hype up the thing that you're about to reveal, and then at the end of the video, towards the end, reveal it, and then you can go waffle on a bit more and then have a call to action. Okay, so or you can also follow this framework. I want you to follow this framework within your scripting process. I like to say scripting like that because I don't actually script my content. I don't recommend you scripting your content because it makes people sound like a robot. But what I would suggest doing is scripting out the hook, yes, then putting a framework like this for the body and putting bullet points below it, so you can just go off the top of your head. Okay, so for example, you can do this: label audience with a problem. That's mainly the hook. Then you're going to speak about where they want to get to, so their desired outcome. Then you're going to hype up the solution that you're about to reveal. Then at the end, give a step-by-step on how to solve that problem with the solution, and then end with a simple call to action. So next thing that I'm going to go on to is the call to action of your videos. So finally is the call to action of your video. Now this is one of the most important aspects because it's telling your prospect what you want them to do. Okay, and most people don't even use call to actions within the videos, and they think they're too salesy when they're not. Okay, what's the main goal that you're trying to do? What's the main goal of your content? It's trying to sell people. Okay, so use call to actions. Okay, if you actually want to grow your business. But yeah, there's only 2 you can mainly use, and a lot of people do not actually know there's a secret way to get leads through your short form content. And and I'm going to reveal it within this video. Okay, so the first call to action is simply asking for the follow. So at the end of somewhat of a percentage of your videos, just say follow me, scroll through my content if you want to learn more about so and so, okay, or follow me for more like this. Just follow me, okay, in some of your videos. And then next is ManyChat. Okay, so a ManyChat call to action. So this ManyChat is basically an automation platform linked with Instagram. And what you can do is at the end of a percentage of your videos, and what I do for me and my clients is 2 videos a week like this, is saying comment the word keyword, so comment the word whatever word you want to use, comment the word magnify, that's my one, and I'll send you over a free training on exactly how to their desired outcome, so where they want to get to. Okay, so comment the word magnify and I'll send you over a free training on exactly how you can get leads on autopilot through your content. Okay, like that. And when they comment that keyword, an automation is going to send out and it's going to say, hey, want me to send over a free training. It's also going to grab their email and add it to your email list straight away, which is amazing. And it's going to send them over a free training, plus start a conversation which you can then go in after manually and try book them on a call. See where they're at, see where they want to get to, see what's stopping them from getting there, and along the way they're going to reveal pain points so you can offer them the call. And this is so amazing because this is all leads, guys. You're getting leads through this. You're getting their emails, you're starting conversations, you're moving people over to your video sales letter, which should be your free training that you send them over to, your video sales letter, and you're going to get booked calls from this. Okay, so this call to action is super important, especially if someone's been in your pipeline for a while. So if they've seen your content, they've watched most of your YouTube content, and then you like say comment the word keyword, they comment, you send them over your video sales letter and you're starting a conversation, you can then book them on a call. That's definitely going to work like that, and it's worked multiple times, and it's an amazing way to get leads. This ManyChat sequence. And if you want a video on this ManyChat sequence, I'll make one setting it up and everything like that. Just let me know. But this is such an amazing way to get leads, because you're literally saying comment a word keyword, they comment that word, they get the training, it starts a conversation, it grabs their email, which you can then send email campaigns out to, and it's just amazing because that's a lead. They want a free training, they're interested in what you sell. Okay, and yeah, all you have to do is say at the end of some of your videos, comment the word keyword, and I will send over a training on exactly how to, then you can say their desired outcome. Whenever someone comments that keyword, your VSL will get sent over to them, they will watch it and convert into a book call. Okay, and again, plus you can have a conversation with them. Okay, and that's exactly what I would do if I were you for the call to action. So the follow and the ManyChat call to actions I would use, and you can also change up the training if you like, so you don't have to just send people over your video sales letter. You can have multiple. You can just press duplicate and put in a different training here. So if let's just say you had one for growing your biceps and growing your chest. Okay, I'm just doing fitness examples because they're the easiest to understand. But yeah, you can have it like that, you can do it like that, do it like that. It's still going to start a conversation and warm them up to the max. Okay, you should be creating free trainings quite a lot. Even if it's just a YouTube video that you've posted publicly, some of your Instagram followers may not go over to YouTube, and you can get them over to YouTube by doing this. Okay, so yeah, I would definitely suggest using these call to actions. And yeah, those are the three main most important aspects of your content if you actually want to get clients through your content. Okay, not just views, you want clients. These are the 3 main most important aspects. And what I would need to say right now is go all in on YouTube, guys, because it's not just short form that's going to get you clients. Short form is going to get you attention, but you need to nurture that attention. You can nurture that attention with YouTube videos, longer form content like this. You're seeing my personality, you're seeing me for a longer period of time. I'm giving more value, I can go into more detail about things, and YouTube in general is just amazing. Okay, so yeah, those are the 3 main most important aspects of your videos. I hope you got some value from this. Again, if you're interested in working with me and you want to build a one-of-one personal brand and actually get clients through it, and you want to get at least 15 to 30 qualified book calls a month using our Magnify Your Content funnel, booking a call with the links down below. There's one that says just a bit more information about what we do, and the one below that one below that is a book a call link, so you can just book a call in. And yeah, most of that's done for you. We do consulting on the side to make sure everything's getting implemented from the funnel, but most of it is done for you. So if you're interested in that, booking a call. And yeah, hope you got some value from this video. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe, everything like that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.